Hi, it's Dodie from Full Circle Coaching and Consulting. Have you ever struggled, been frustrated, or just not know what to say to invite a practice member to your healthcare class? If that's you, this is the video for you to watch. And if you have any questions or you need some extra help after watching this to the end, please feel free to reach out to one of the coaches to maybe book a call to answer any questions you might have. Because today in this video, what I would love to do is just show you how easy it is to invite someone to your healthcare class, to attend your healthcare class. Okay, so the very first thing that we need to know is, do you have the faith, confidence, and belief in your ability to present? And are you excited to share the information with your practice members? If you are, then this is the place to be. If you're not, that's the first place to start. One is to create a healthcare class so that you can share your information with your patients, have some amazing PowerPoint presentations. Maybe you just need to practice it and rehearse it and to get better at what you would like to say to your practice members. All right, this is kind of what it sounds like, so you can ask your practice members to attend with ease. I think there's 4 key components to it. The very first component is that you want to let them know that this is at a special adjustment time and that it's going to take a little bit longer. You also want them to know that there's a lot of information, and that is why we're doing this, so that you don't feel overwhelmed with all this information. And the third is to bring someone with you, not only to hear all this information, but because we're going to teach you how to check for subluxations, and we need someone to help demonstrate that with. And the fourth is that there's no cost and that you're really just going ahead and booking that appointment. So this is what it could sound like to make it sound simple and easy. Mrs. Jones, we would like to book one of your adjustments on a Wednesday evening. Now, you can book other adjustments on Wednesday evening, but we need one on a Wednesday evening because it's a special appointment time, because I'm going to ask you to stay an extra 40 minutes so that you can get some information that we talked about today in that time period. There's really just so much information that we want to break it up into two parts. The first part today, and then the second part on Wednesday evening. That way you'll be able to remember all the information that we're going to tell you, because it's a bit hard and overwhelming at times. Would you agree? Right. So we also, Mrs. Jones, we want you to bring a partner with you. Why? Because we're going to teach you how to assess somebody for subluxations, how to screen them for subluxations. Because if you have heard anything I've told you about today, you actually might want to know if your friends or families are subluxated or not. So when you bring a partner with you, we'll have the opportunity to be able to teach you some of those screening tools. Okay, and just so you know, there's no extra cost for you to come or your partner. And who do you think you might be bringing with you? Because you're more than welcome to bring more than just one person. Many of our practice members do that as well. Okay, that's great. So there is no cost, like I said, other than the adjustment fee itself, because we love to offer this service to our practice members as well as the community at large. Any questions? Wonderful. Okay, I will get my assistant to come in, go ahead and create your adjusting schedule, as well as book you for that special healthcare class on the Wednesday evening. Great. So what'd you think about that? That was pretty easy, right? We got all the tips in there. It was straightforward. You had people understand why they needed to come and why they needed to bring somebody. Sometimes people may ask, do I have to come? I'm like, actually, yes. This is a special adjustment, a special appointment, and it's designed so that you can get the most out of your care. So those are another couple little pieces of information. Thanks for listening right to the end. But again, if you do want to book a call with any of the coaches, maybe to discuss any options about asking people to attend your healthcare class, let us know.